Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. Ngiplemene out yami uNtshebo grand mfowethu.
Mnandi kanjani?
Mnandi. Every time we speak you always say ukuthi it's not ukuthi uthanda iPirates kakhulu and it's not ukuthi you hate Kaizer Chiefs but you're just a football lover and you love speaking iDisk.
Yeah, ngithola.
100%. So you're gonna put that to test for now ngoba siziranga a team that you don't usually speak about but you always watch it upoint ama mistake and perfections.
Okay, first mistake ne engibonile mina nje kule game yezolo. Too many changes for Abu Coach. I don't know why. I don't know ukuthi mhlawumbe khona iphuthe belibonile and stuff like that. And then like more especially move and all. You have the likes of Ukwenika, he's on form. And all. And then like you bring in Umsimango, who's been like on the bench for that long. So approach here towards this game, I didn't really understand it. Whether they were trying something new or they had a different approach than Kulama games. But benching someone like Ukwenika, I feel like iba limazeka khulu. Yeah.
Because also one would say Uguti, they've got a calf that they're playing on Sunday. Maybe they were resting Ukwenika so that he can play that important game. Do you think by the game and they felt it was not important compared to a calf?
Mina nginokuzwa abantu bathi Abu Coach banyatha ama game. It's not about ukunyatha ama game, bro. You have these players that you work with day in day out. You know their quality. You know what quality they possess. Per player and stuff like that. So I feel like yes, going to that game knowing ukuthi bayodlala neteam ukuthi they lost to it before and in the first leg. So I feel like they were trying to rest those other players, but then in the back, man, at the back you don't do that. You don't do that. He could have done that mhlawumbe ngabo oli lepo, but then stabilize your what? Stabilize your defense and stabilize your midfield. You cannot take Ubuga right now. He had Undlovu, of which simbonile na kule game isibuya kuyo ukuthi he had wa struggling there and there ngithola. So ama passes wakhe they are not clinical. He loses ball that easy and stuff like that. So I feel like he could have just started ngayo Undlovu no Mabuye just to stabilize in midfield yakhe. So he went to get Umabaso, of which they vele untwana okay fine siyabona ukuthi uyangena egamini, but then I felt like that middle of the park needed someone with a bit of experience, young Tony. So I feel like too many changes for Abu Coach.
All right, before we get into our individual players, Kaizer Chiefs as a whole, performance against the Steelers, do you think they had improved compared to our games before?
Definitely. Definitely. I can say that I saw a different Chiefs in terms of passing the ball around, in terms of picking each other as players. And then hence I was saying to you Ngiti, I was so shocked and I saw how this guy Ubani Da Silva. He was so impactful, Izolo, bro. He was so impactful. Like he was playing, he was comfortable on the ball. Everything. Like we into one touch. Drop the ball, keep the ball. I can hold the ball. So Izolo, I saw a different player, and then I saw a different kind of Kaizer Chiefs. They just got unlucky because they did had couple of moments whereby I think they could have buried the ball into the net and then converted our ball. But then it was unfortunate for Ntoni Ngane, and then
So we also saw that in Shabalala he had about 4 moments. Of which Abanye would say he did everything right to play silly ball. The keeper was just marvelous on the day.
Exactly.
So what did you think of his performance, and do you think that would maybe drop his confidence going forward?
Not really. Ushabalala bafitu, I don't know. I mean, I love the boy. Like, I'm a Pirates fan, but I always speak highly when it comes to Ushaba because I know what kind of a player he is. I've watched him. I remember, like, it was Boma 2023, and I was telling some of my guys, and I was like, bafethu nyanibona nonke bebemxeka by the time bona. But then I was like, you guys don't see a gold, but mina ngiyakwazi ukuyibona gold. That boy has been on fire since young Ton. That's the only player mina in Tusai. If you remember very well, like last season, the very same cup final, he was introduced late. Against the Pirates.
Sure.
And then he made that changes. The reason why Umart ayakwazi ukukora is because of lentwana iThemangen ebaba yashukumisa yonke into. Yashukumisa yonke into. So like Ushaba is that player. He's very matured. He knows what he's doing. It's just that Izolo, he did everything right. Yes, abantu abayishilo they were right. He did everything right, but then it's just that he was against a goalkeeper of which Nayo he's been on the bench, I think, for quite some time now. He's trying to get back into his game. His confidence is there. So he did everything now. Enze show to have a move.
Yeah. No, that was a great game because manje ilona already Kaizer Chiefs seyiphumile.
Yes.
With Nedbank.
Yeah.
So they will obviously going to be focusing on the CAF
and the league.
Yeah. So we saw Sundowns win now Izolo. So with those two teams, they're already competing with league. Now they're also going to be competing with Nedbank.
Yeah,
so Nyaz, it's too early. But going for the that might go all the way.
Okay. For each Chiefs, or lama game wow ashigile they go CAF. They left with two. They left with two teams from Elon and Egypt. Zamalek, of which is on form Zamalek, like it's on form. And then you look at Al Mazeri now. Al Mazeri is a punisher. They know how to score goals. So each Chiefs, I feel like if they can just go to the game and use opportunities about and then start scoring goals, I feel like banga progressor to Ilona, because to lama game abashegila to group stages. Only if they can at least Baba Shaye Al Mazeri. And then I know they are tougher opponents. They are tougher opponents. Zamalek. Zamalek is doing well. So if only they can at least Baba is a show with Babamba la Matimo to ngama draws game. Banga lose. But then even if Baba ngama draws, they're still gonna lose out. Because Baba go position 3. So these two teams, it is now Chiefs in 7 points, but it's behind Zamalek ngani. I mean, it's behind Al Mazeri ngani ngama goals. And then Zamalek yona advancile in 9 points. So when you look ukuthi bame kanjani, I feel like each Chiefs go into this Al Mazeri game, they need to win it. They need to do by all means. And then when you come to league, nakona Chiefs are in a problem no. Problem eba nayo nje score. If they can just score goals. But use opportunities well. Because you cannot rely on one goal and then be like, okay, this is great. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. I mean, they need to start scoring goals now, going forward, if they want to compete on a higher level of e-league.
Yeah, because they really need Lomuntu also Shama finish it. But of late, we saw what I did only Lepo is nice or Shai crossbar, another connected Amnandi Rajad. So he might be one of the premises that I'm here and I'm gonna score those goals.
The thing is about Ulilepo, you look at the position that he plays at, Ulilepo is not a finisher. Ulilepo is a shooter. He's a shooter. Like he takes long range balls. So we need a striker from Chiefs that's gonna be able to capitalize on such balls, loose balls on the box. Young tall, someone who is like accurate in terms of taking those balls to the net. Young tall, because Bonabayawa create my chances. Bear in mind, they create so many chances, but then they don't have someone who capable of scoring or capable of just I'm a tap-ins, I'm a tap-ins, such things, young tall.
Because they still have players zangagadlali khona abanye asebenchini. So you squad depth sakhe. Do you think ukhona leyo muntu loyo khona abo Mayo khona abo Ogodaro khona abo banibani? Do you think they still need to go sign that strike ukhuluma ngaso, or squad they just need to find it with squad sub?
I feel like ukhona umuntu ukuthi ungabenza lo msebenzi. Uyabona the likes of Ogodaro. Like I feel like he deserved like more game time. You know why? Or Ikataro, like ile striker ungeke expect ukuthi ze adjust right away. You just need to give them game time. And then because umnandi ngama tap in. Uye ke umuntu udingekayo. Umuntu ozohlezi edai boxing. You see uSilva yes umuntu ama tap ins, but right now if umbonile izolo he was playing ball. He was all over. He was assisting, he was doing you know, I was so shocked and I was like, wow, he can play ball. He can play ball. And he's just quite unfortunate that you know he conceded a penalty against Ilona being ambonanga. I feel like being ambonanga, or I feel like he just happened to no fair angeke azafike so outing ilkhabe, but then unfortunately it happened ukuthi akhabe umuntu engakhabe ball, but then he played a very nice game. He had a very he was very comfortable izolo, and then that's what I wanted to see from him. But then I feel like he's doing quite well now. But then we need the likes of Ikataro, someone who's gonna like just
Ushkhulumile uNtshebe, the striker is within squad depth sakhe is achieved, they just need to find it. Mfana ngizokubuza vye Pirates through, Sundowns through, who's taking the Nedbank Cup?
Pirates is not through yet. But then I like it when you say that.
They're not through yet. They're not through
Pirates is not through yet. We're still going to play ETTM on Saturday. So the reason why Pirates is already through. I can say that. So it's gonna be a very interesting one again. It's gonna be a very interesting one again, seeing Pirates go through, and then we still have Sundowns. I would be very I'm focusing on in next draw. Okay, fine. Who's gonna go to the round of 16, and then who's gonna be who? Is gonna meet who? So like I think it's gonna be a quite interesting one, though Chiefs sepumile, but then hard luck with it. Hard luck. You did everything that you can. But players or the Chiefs are the defending champions. You know, they were there, and then they did everything they could, but then they just got unlucky. Yeah, man, it is part of the game. You win, you lose, you draw.
That's it, Kosi. Nothing wrong. Nothing is lost. There's still league to play for. There's also a CAF to play for.
Yeah.